This video I am preparing smoke baked chicken. This chicken is so delicious. You can taste the smoke flavor when you're eating the chicken. And it is not jerk chicken because I did not use nutmeg, neither cinnamon, neither pimento. And those are the three key ingredients used when preparing jerk chicken. So this is baked chicken. So of course I wash the chicken with water and lime and then drain and pat dry, because you don't know say me like season the chicken with water settled at the bottom of the container. And I'm using wings, leg, thighs and one breast. And so I am using a variety of spices to season the chicken. You can just look what is happening in the video and you will see the spices that I use. I also use a little bit of extra dark soya sauce because I want the chicken to have a particular color. So I use just a little bit of soya sauce and then I rub everything together just to get it, well combined, all the spices greeting each other with the chicken, everybody mingling up. Yeah, man. Yeah. So I am also using fresh herbs, fresh scallion, thyme, add pepper, garlic, I think an onion. Yes, I mince into the chopper. Yes, everything is fresh and nice, and then I am gonna use my hand to just rub in the fresh herbs into the chicken, and then I'm gonna cover and put it in the fridge to sit for at least 4 hours. Today is actually a public holiday in Jamaica. It is observed as National Heroes Day, where we celebrate our heroes. And of course, Nani of the Maroon is my hero. She's from Ghana, from the Ashanti tribe. So after about 5 hours, I know I mentioned 4 hours, but it was actually 5 hours plus stacks. So after 5 hours, I removed the chicken from the fridge, and now I'm using a fork to remove what I should say, the blended herbs, because I don't want to leave them on the chicken because they will make the chicken easily burn. And no worries, no problem, everything's supposed to soak in already. So I'm using a coal stove as usual, because the same result I will get with a coal stove as the same result with a grill or a jerk pan, you know so I'm using charcoal made from the pimento wood, and everything is natural, so I will get the natural smoke. Yeah, man, because everything is natural. So what I'm gonna do is to cover the chicken to trap the smoke. This is optional because, like me say, you will get the natural flow of the smoke. You don't have to cover it up because the charcoal is made from natural tree or trees. Now I am smoking each side of the chicken for about 5 minutes. So 10 minutes total cooking time, because remember I'm going to put them into an oven. So all I'm doing right now is to smoke the chicken. Give it the nice smoke flavor. Now I am smoking each side of the chicken for about 5 minutes. So 10 minutes total cooking time, because remember I'm gonna put them into an oven. So all I'm doing right now is to smoke the chicken. Give it the nice smoke flavor. After 10 minutes, the chicken pieces are well smoked and ready to be taken off the grill and ready for the oven. May I tell you, say it is such a pleasant smell. Yo, I'm if I tell you. Oh, the chicken pieces, they smell nice. Yo. Anyway, so I pour about 3/4 cup of boiling water all over the chicken, then cover the baking dish and then place into and preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're gonna set I'm gonna make like a little homemade barbecue sauce from scratch. So I am using just a little bit of tomato ketchup, a little bit of brown sugar, and then I pour in a little bit of white vinegar to cut right through the sweetness of the sugar, even though I did not use a lot of sugar. And then I am also using a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a little bit of ginger powder, and also a little bit of molasses, just to give it a kind of sort of dark color. So I'm gonna whisk everything together. So remember that I mentioned that I set the oven to 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I remove the chicken from the oven, and then I'm gonna pour off the liquid into the pot with the barbecue sauce. Use a whisk to combine everything together, and then simmer on the stove top for about 2 to 4 minutes, or until it somewhat thickens, and then pour the sauce all over the chicken. In the meantime, while the sauce was thickening, you can return the chicken back to the oven and then remove it to pour the sauce all over it. Of course, you can eat it like this, but I return it to the oven for an additional 10 minutes to get the sauce all thick and bubbly and to stick to the chicken. And this is it. Smoke baked chicken. It is so nice, so flavorful. You can taste the smoke flavor